Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Bumblebee Corner. My name is Lisa. Today I just wanted to give you a quick upcycle video on a little metal box that I had found. I've had this box for a while and I just wanted to do something quick and easy with it. So I'm going to show you what I did today. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, so here I have, it's just an old rusty, crusty box. And who doesn't love rusty, crusty, right? So I didn't want to paint it. I just kind of wanted to leave it like this. So I grabbed the Roy-cycled Autumn Masterboard from the September from Sonnet's Makers box. And I really like this little deer. So I thought that would be perfect to put on here. And that could just kind of be just an everyday, in your everyday decor. It's not necessarily fall or Christmas or whatever. So if you like the deer, you could just leave it out year round if you wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut out. And then I'll come back and I'll show you how I applied it. So here I'm just going to cut it out. And I didn't want all that extra white paper around it. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim back some of that white paper. I didn't want to do that water tear method with this just because of the antlers and the legs. They're a little more delicate and I didn't want to take a chance of ripping those off. So I just kind of went ahead and trimmed all around it and just got as much of that white paper off as I could. So here it is. I got it all trimmed up and I'm ready. So here, this next step, I am going to paint the back of the deer white. Just because the box is such a dark color, by painting the back of the deer, it'll make it pop a little more against that box. And if I wouldn't have painted it, it just kind of would have blended in a little bit more. And I did not want that. I really wanted the deer to pop out. So I'm ready to apply the deer to the box. So I'm just going to use liquid patina. And I just apply a coat to the box and then I lay the deer where I want the deer on there. And then I just put a coat of liquid patina over top. I totally forgot to hit the record button while I did that. But here I'm going to add another little piece. So I just felt in that corner right there, it just needed something a little bit more. So I went back to that Roy-cycled, the Autumn Masterboard paper. And I found this little piece that looks like a little postage stamp. So I just applied some liquid patina to the box and I positioned it where I wanted it. And then I just went over the top. And I did go over the whole entire box with liquid patina. I just wanted all the surfaces to kind of have the same finish. And I just think it makes the project looks better. So here I'm just going to finish up. I'm going to make sure this is all smoothed out and I have minimal wrinkles. And then this project is going to be finished. So what do you think, guys? I know that was kind of a really easy upcycle, but I just wanted to get it out there. It was meant to go on my last video, but I had it going and I was having trouble with my editing software. So I had to switch over to another one and it was a mess. So that one got kind of left off the video, but I wanted to get it out there just so you could see it. Let me know what you think and I would appreciate it. If you like watching the upcycles, go ahead and give me a subscribe, like, share, hit the notification button so you get notified. I'm really trying to get more videos out there for you guys. Leave me a note in the comments if you'd like more upcycles, more thrift hauls. Let me know what you want and hopefully I can kind of accommodate and kind of do more of what you'd like. So go ahead and do all that and I will see you next time.